Hi everyone, myself Bhavini Patel. I am teacher of Sr.kg. Today we write in our English textbook page number 11. Page number 11. O sound word. O sound words. Look at the picture and write the spelling. Look at the picture and write the spelling. Which picture is this? Dog. D-O-G, dog. So here we write D-O-G, dog. Next picture is top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Third picture is box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Then next picture J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. This picture boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. And this picture fox. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Which picture is this? Toy. Khilona, toy. T-O-Y, toy. This picture is pod. P-O-D, pod. This picture log. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Next is pot. P-O-T, pot. And this mop. M-O-P, mop. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Cot. Dot. D-O-T, dot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Ox. O-X, ox. Rod. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. हे किड्स, हमें पेज नंबर जो 11 पे है वो ही एक्टिविटी हम आज करेंगे. ओनली पेज नंबर 11 की. ओके एवरीवन, बाय.